Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the morning brief. I'm Joseph Novichkov, Senior Analyst at GDMFX. Starting with the dollar, it remains higher against the yen following its biggest one-day advance in, of course, 1 week time before the Federal Reserve Chair Janet Yellen testifies before the U.S. lawmakers today and tomorrow. Now, the Bank of Japan today keeps its record stimulus unchanged and forecast inflation that will pick up to its 2% target. Now, the central bank struck with its goal on an annual increase in the monetary base of between 60 trillion yen and 70 trillion yen. That's roughly about $690 billion. Going to Europe, Mario Draghi said that banks shouldn't count on fresh round of European Central Bank cash to trade sovereign debt. Now, that's due to the fact that they can rip some more profits. The region is now experiencing an economic recovery that's increasingly driven by the domestic demand, and that could mean that the demand for exports supported by global growth. What we're looking at the charts today for the euro dollar, that it's steady at the price 1.3615. This is a 4-week sidelines movement. The British pound is on a correctional path to the downside for the major uptrend, aiming for the target of $1.7 level, where if it holds, we will witness, of course, a continuation of the recent major trend. Going to the commodity sector, gold is holding above 1 month low on speculation that the biggest traded exchange product, backed by the metal, of course, is holding the highest level since April. Now, yesterday's decline is the cause of a profit-taking technical trading as the price reached a 3-month high last week. Right now, what we're seeing, the gold is traded above the level of 1300s. Remaining this, we will see further upside. Crude oil, however, is traded near the lowest level in 2 months before the inventory data later on this week may show a signal in strength of fuel demand in the U.S., as we already know, the biggest oil consumer in the world. The price seems to be limited, however, to the downside by the 200 periods exponential moving average on the daily chart around the level of $100 per barrel. Now, the RSI is in oversold conditions, signaling lower to sidelines price possible until the end of the day. Let's take a look at the economic calendar. I'm only going to mention those which are with medium and high volatility expected for today. In about half an hour from now, we're expecting for the GBP Consumer Price Index year-on-year, also Producer Price Index output year-on-year, and retail sales year-on-year, as I mentioned, a little more than half an hour from now. Enjoy the rest of the day. That's all for me. Thanks for watching.